we've touched on the pandemic in the last few years and the global situation, but Fadi, as you look at things now, as from a sustainability and innovation point of view, what difference did the lockdowns and the pandemic make to that side of things?
I think it was absolutely clear for the whole world that in order to continue and sustain your business, your education, and even your entertainment, you were absolutely over-relying on all types of communication infrastructure, both fixed and mobile. And another advantage of that is also that has boosted types of services that were existing but now are accelerating. Most namely, we see, for instance, mobile financial services getting a very big boom. It used to typically be in countries where the people will not really had bank accounts underserved, but we see that moving in countries where you have a very high penetration of banking services, but they feel that the comfort and the speed of use is knowledge. And moving forward, and basically also what Salvador was mentioning, we see a very big opportunity to be able to contribute from a mobile technology perspective to solve some of the challenges that the enterprise and the industries are seeing. In terms of the sustainability, everybody's focused on reducing waste, obviously, increasing productivity, as a benefit, cutting costs as well. And although we've been having a lot of technologies over the past decades contributing to that, it's only today that you're able to scale from a connectivity perspective, because with 5G, you finally have a technology that can handle very large bandwidth and throughput, but more importantly as well, ensure that due to the low latency in the networks, you can finally have a real-time monitoring and control of thousands and tens of thousands of sensors, be it in a manufacturing plant, being in a port, being in a mine. And this is still at, I would say, early stages. So all the colleagues here, we are collaborating together, trying to build such a, let's say, knowledge amongst the industries and the enterprise, because we definitely believe it will benefit them along. I think that's what the next decade will bring for us.